Love the enthusiasm. All right, so today we have a bunch of different talent here for you. You're going to be amazed at all the talent that your ITS colleagues have. So I'd like to invite first Lavita to please come up on stage and tell us about your unique talent. Tell us what you're going to be doing today.
I'm going to be sewing. I'm going to make a wearable dress in less than 10 minutes.
Have you done that before within 10 minutes?
I practice, and I have 2 samples right there to show you guys once I'm done.
And so how long have you been sewing?
I'm 50 plus years old, and I've been sewing since I was 7.
Wow. And do you make a lot of the things that do you wear them, the things that you make?
I do, yes.
Are you all excited to see this? All right, let's go for it. So 10 minutes, right? Okay, we're going to be timing you.
Don't reveal the time until I'm done. Suspense, you gotta feel suspense.
You said that I was all you'd ever want. You said that we were fine. You swore that you would never break my heart. You wasted all my time. You told me lies behind my back. I don't know where I'm at. You said that I was all you'd ever want. You said that we were fine. You swore that you would never break my heart. You wasted all my time. You told me lies behind.
So what we would like to do, what we will do, is start a WBG sewing club. So between now and December, we're going to recruit people. You ask Santa for a sewing machine, and hopefully by January, we can get the club up and running.
Then you need models to model them. Okay, so we're going to give you a little time, right? So we're not going to crowd you. And so in the meantime, we're going to also have another very talented person here.
A dress in 10 minutes or less. So is my timer ready?
Yeah.
Set?
Yep.
Go. Do we have some music? We do. Do we have questions?
How are we going to play some music for her?
Yes. Yes. That's nice.
How's everybody doing today?
Great.
All right.
Make it my size.
You know, since we have just a few people in the audience, maybe can everyone just stand up and take a look at what she's doing? Because you can't see probably from there.
Feel free, yes.
And can we have the music a little bit louder, please?
borrowed some rocks from nature years ago and spray painted them, and I use them as pattern weights. So that's what you see here, these pink rocks.
Come on, Anita. Come on.
You can do it.
Come on. Hola, Anita.
So someone noticed my machine earlier and expressed that they actually have a machine and it's still in a box. So what we would like to do, what we will do, is start a WBG sewing club.
Come on. Yay.
So between now and December, we're going to recruit people. You ask Santa for a sewing machine, and hopefully by January, we can get the club up and running.
Come on.
And then you need models to model them.
We can model. Yeah?
Okay, so we're gonna give you a little time,
Yes.
right?
Yes,
to have a
ma'am.
copy. And so in the meantime, we're gonna also have another very talented person here, Nasser, who's gonna come up and give us.
Done. So now I will go change so you can see.
I'll tell you the time after.
Yes.
Armor. Just wanted to check in with Levita. Is she ready to show her? She's ready? All right, are you all ready to see Levita and her dress she made in 10 minutes? Can we play music for her, please, before she comes out? A little bit louder? Thank you. Now introducing Levita. Wow. For any of you who just joined us, she did this within 10 minutes. She sewed this dress. In 7 minutes and 4 seconds. Wow. She's taking orders for anyone who wants any dresses here. Oh, wow. Wow. She deserves a huge round of applause.